Welcome everyone. This is a small video to find out, or to show you how to use some product to sum a particular set of numbers. For example, if we have, let's say, a data like this A, B, C, and here also we have got a certain set of number A, B, C, and a certain set of number here against corresponding to A, B, and C, and the same here. Same here also. Okay, now usually some product what we can do is it is used to find out at a single go what is the total cost of this quantity and product, these two arrays basically. Okay, so we can use some product this way. SUM, if we do this one, we need a array 1. Now what is array 1 here? It can either be price or quantity, whichever. We can fix it okay, and that's it, we get the answer. Now this is exactly equal to what we get here. Okay, so this into this, this into this into this, and then again the total of this into this. Okay, so how do we go about accomplishing or finding out the sum of all digits that are beside A from the drop down here? Okay, B, C, whatever we can choose here. So typically we'd use a function like this, sum product. Then we will choose the entire array. Now check here what we are using. We are using a 7 rows into 7 column array. Okay, we can now we have to compare this array with the drop whatever we have selected in the drop down, this one. Okay, now let's this becomes the first array. Okay, now what is the second array? The second, since this was a 7 into 7 array, the second area should also be a 7 into 7 array. So we will choose one extra column here. This becomes 7 rows into 7 columns. Okay, suppose we close this function and just press enter. You see nothing happens. Okay, so we need to do here basically is two things, two ways we can accomplish this. One is by putting a double minus sign here and putting this part in brackets. So if we do that, we get 380. Okay, so let's check this plus this plus this plus this is 380. Same holds true for B and C. B is 420. Let's check the C's. Okay, C 470, 100, 130, 160. Okay, now this sum product, instead of using two minus sign here, we can also use what you call multiply this whole thing in this part with 1. Okay, and then we'll also get the same result. So let's go back to A and choose A. 380, how much we are, let's check A. Okay, so we're getting 380 as the answer here. So this is the way of how we can find the sum of a set of numbers using sum product. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to my channel for fun. for more interesting videos. Thank you.